เก้าทำหน้าที่สิครับบอกเพื่อนลูก
One, two, three.
Good
Morning, teacher.
Morning. Good morning, students. How are you today?
I'm fine.
All of you are fine?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, so wait for your friends so they can join. We can start. All right, so how about yesterday homework? You already do your homework? Page number
Yeah.
117, 118.
Yes.
Yes, all of you? Quiet. Okay. All right, so you having your books already with you today?
Yes.
All right, so we can start. Okay, so today we are going to learn page number 119. 119. All right, so today we are going to learn about finding quotient, use short division, okay, and then check answer. We are going to check the answers as well. So like yesterday we already did that process was long form, okay, long division, and here we are going to learn short division. Actually, short division and long division, both they are same, okay? There is not too much difference, but we just write it down short, okay? So here, we having an example, okay? The dividing number we having here 4029, okay? And the divisor we have, divisor digit given to us, that one is 3, okay? So how we are going to find the quotient, okay? So we will do the same process. Here you can see 4029, the dividend number, and the divisor is 3, okay? So here we are going to do the same process. 3, we are going to use the table of 3, okay? So we're gonna start from the greatest number. So greatest number we have 4000, okay? So as we can see, 4000, the divided number, it's lesser than the divisor, so we can use the table. So 3 multiplied by 1, so that means 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3, right? Now from 3, from 4 we are going to subtract 3, so what will be the remainder, students? 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. Now subtract 3 from 4. So we will have the remainder 1. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 1. 1 we are going to write here. And we subtract 3 from 4. So we have remainder 1. Okay, so 1 will come here with the 100 place. So here at the 100 place, we having 0, okay? So 1 will be come with that. So that means we having now 10 hundreds at the 100 place, okay? Now we are going to use again the table. So 3 multiplied by how much is close to 10? Students, anyone can tell me? 3 multiplied by how much that it will close to 10? Again, please. 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so 9 is close to 10. Okay, so 3 we're gonna write here, and from 10 we subtract 9. So we have how much remaining? 10 minus 9 is equal to, students, answer me. 10 minus 9 is equal to how much?
1.
1. That's right. So 3 we're going to write here down, and 1, the remainder, we will bring it at the 10th place. So at the 10th place, we already have 2 tens, and now we have another 10 tens. So total we have how many tens? 10 plus 2 tens is equal to 12 10, right? So here now we're having 12 10. Now we're going to use again the table of 3. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9, right? And 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to how much? Students, 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4. Student, please answer me. 12. 3 multiplied by 12. Okay, 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So 4 we're going to write here, and 12 we having 12 10 at the 10th place. So it's already subtract 12 from 12, so it's 0. Now we have 9 ones at the ones place. Okay, again we are going to use the table of 3. 3 multiplied by how much become 9, students? 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9.
9.
Right. So that means 3 table we use 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So we have the quotient number 11343, 1343. Okay, you understand that how we are going to use? It's very simple, students. The same way in the longer form we using the table. Okay, so in the short form we are also going to use the same table. The difference is here, like we start, for example, just concentrate again one more time. Like here we see we have the divisor number 3. Okay, and the dividing number we have 4029. Okay, so we're gonna start with the greater number, okay, which is 4000. So the dividing number, it's greater than the divisor. So if we use the table 3, so 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to 3. So from 4 subtract 3, we have remainder 1. So 1 will come at the 100th place. Okay, so now we have at the 100th place total how many hundreds? 10 hundreds. Okay, we already have 0 and 1 already come here, so we have 10 hundreds. Now 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Okay, so from 10 we subtract 9, become remainder how much? Remainder 1. So 1 remainder, it will come at the 10th place. Okay, and the same process we will do again. So we have 1 and 2, which means 12. At the 10th place we having 12 tens. Now 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. 4 we going to write here. Okay, and which is 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equal to 12. So here at the 12th place, at the 10th place, we having 12 10. So it's already 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now we're gonna divide the 1 place. So at the 1 place, we have 9. We use again the table 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So 3 we are going to write here. So 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So we have the quotient number 1343. Okay, so this is the short form of the division. Okay, students, you understand that? Students, do you have any question?
Yes.
Anything you not understand?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, all right. So here now we have some of the more practice. Okay, so here you can we have the number given to you. Okay, so the divide we having the dividing number 968. Okay, and the divisor is 4. Okay, I solve for you one more, and the rest you have 3 minutes, and you think and you solve by yourself and find the quotient. Okay, so here, first of all, the first one, just look one more time how we are going to solve. We having 968, and the that is the dividing number. Okay, and we having the divisor 4. So here we are going to use the table of 4. We're gonna start from the greater number. Greater number we have 9. So which can be divide. So that means 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay, so 2 we're going to write here, and now 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. So 1 will carry over at the 10th place. So now we already have 6 tens, and we having another 10 tens. So total we have now 16 tens at the 10th place. Okay, again we're gonna use 4 table. So 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to how much? 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So here we already have 16 tens. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Now we will come at the 1 place. So 1 place we have 8 ones. Okay, 8 ones we have. Now 4, we're going to use again the table. 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So 2 we are going to write here, and 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So that means we have the quotient 242. Okay, students, you understand that? Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Okay, all right, students. Now you're having a 3 minutes. You can solve question number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then tell me what is the quotient. You take it out. Okay, students, your time start now. All right, students, you solved already your question?
ดิวดิวดิว
ครับ
ดิวบอกคุณยายติดต่อครูอ้นหน่อยลูก
บอกให้คุณยายติดต่อครูอ้นใช่ไหมค
โท
รั
ร
บ
หาครูอ้นหน่อย เดี๋ยวนี้เลยนะ
ก็มีเครื่องที่ใหญ่ก็ใช้ดิวก็ใช้เรียนอีกครับ
อ๋อ
เครื่องที่
โอ
ใช้
เค
เรียนก็
ค่ะ นายอุ่นด้วยนะ นากายอุ่นนะ บอกผู้ปกครองโทรหาครูอ้นหน่อยลูก
แม่หนูโทรไปแล้วค่ะ
โอเคค่ะ
แม่หนูก็โทรไปแล้วค่ะ
All right, students, are you done already? Have you solved the questions? Students, answer me, please. Have you
Yes.
done already? Have you solved the
Yes.
question already?
Yes.
Okay, all right. So now come to question number 2. 855. And the divisor is 5. So what is your answer? What is the quotient? Who can tell me? Question number 2.
Me.
All right. What's your answer?
My answer is 171.
Very good. 171. Here you can see we're having divisor 5 and the dividend we have 855. So we start from the greater number 8. So we use the table 5. 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. So 1 we're going to write here. Now from 8 we subtract 5. Okay, so we have remainder 3. It will carry over at the 10th place. So now we have at the 10th place total 35 tens. Now again 5 multiplied by 7 is equal to 35. Now come to the 1 place. 1 place we have 5 ones. So 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to 5. So which means we have the quotient 171. And if you would like to check the answer, what we're gonna do? We're gonna multiply quotient multiply by the divisor. So that means 855, the dividend number. So that means both are same. So our answer is correct. Okay, now question number 3. Who is going to tell me?
Me. Me.
All right, what's your answer?
My answer is 132.
Very good, 132. So here we do the same. We can see here at the 100 place we have 9, which is greater than the divisor. So 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. So 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. 2 will carry over at the 10th place. Now we have total 22 10. Now 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. 22 minus 21 is equal to 1. So 1 will carry over at the 1 place. Now we have at the 1 place total 14 ones. Okay. So 7 multiplied by 2 is equal to 14. So we have the quotient 132. Now if we check the answer 132, the quotient multiplied by the divisor 7 is equal to 924. Okay, question number 4. Jaokun, what's your answer for question number 4?
six 692.
Very good. 692. That is the correct answer. Okay, now question number 5. Pantong. Anton. Your answer, please. Question number 5.
4,224.
Again, please. All right. Anyone else? Nana, what's your answer for question number 5? Nana, can you hear me? Question number 5. What's your answer? All right, come to Tongkla. Tongkla, question number 5. What's your answer?
Tongkla.
Students, please open up your camera. All of the students, open up your camera so I can ask for the answer. Tongkla, number 5. What's your answer? Okay, let me show you here. It's very simple. We have 4,224. So we can see the greater the the digit 4,000. It is the divided number. It's lesser than the divisor. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna divide two number 42 together. Now we use again the 6 table. So 6 multiplied by 7. It means 42. Now come to the 10th place. So 10th place we having 2, which is lesser than the divisor. But if we use the table, so 6 multiplied by 0, 6 multiplied by 0 become how much? 0, right? So 0 we're going to write. Now we have 2 and 4 come here, right, at the 1 place. Okay, so 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Okay, so now we're having 24 at the 1 place. Now we use again the table of 6. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 24. So we have the quotient 704. Now we multiply 704. The quotient number multiplied by the divisor 6 is equal to 4,224. The divided number. Both, if we look here, they are all both same. So which means our answer is correct. Okay, now question number 6. Who is going to answer?
Me.
Okay, what's your answer?
938.
938. Very good. That is the correct answer. Okay, now come to question number 7. So question number 7, we having similar 17,906 and the divisor we have 2. Okay, so here now 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. So 17 minus 16 is equal to 1. 1 will carry over at the 100 place. So now we have total 1900s. Again, 2 multiplied by 9 is equal to 18. So 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. 1 will come, it will carry over at the 10 place. So now we have 10 tens at the 10 place. Again, 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 5 we're going to write here and come to the place number 1. We having 6. So 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So we have the quotient 8,953. Okay. Similar like that. Question number 8. Who is going? Who having the answer? One. Can you answer question number 8? 29,007 divided by 9.
$29,007 3,223.
Very good. 3,223. That is the correct answer. Okay, number 9. Who can solve number 9? Number 9, 801,927. Dividing number and the divisor is 3. Here you can see it's okay. You can see here we're having divisor is 3. Okay, so we're gonna start from 800,000, 8, which is greater. So now what we're gonna do, 3 multiplied by 2 is equal to 6. 8 minus 6, remainder is 2. It will come at the 10,000 place. So now total we have 20 at the 10,000 place. Again, 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. So from 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. 2 will come to the 1,000 place. So now at the 1,000 place, we having 21 thousands. Again, 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. Now come to the 100 place. We have 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. Okay. Now look at here at the 20 at the 2. Okay. So 2 we have, which is lesser, but here we can use the table. 3 multiplied by 0. 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So 0 we're going to write, and this 2 will move here at the 1 place. So now at the 1 place we have total 27 ones. Now again 3 multiplied by 9 is equal to 27. So we have the quotient 267,309. And if we would like to check the answer, 267,309 multiplied by 3 is equal to 801,927. Okay, students, so all of you do the practice on that and try to solve by yourself. Okay, now here we having the previous one that was short form. Okay, now here we having the long form. All right, so we having the number given to us, the dividing number we have 4,809. The divisor is 6. Okay, so now what we're gonna do here, we will do the same thing. So here we can see we're gonna start from the greater number, which is 4, but 4, the dividing number, it's lesser than the divisor. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna divide two number, 48, 4 and 8 together. Now if you use here the table of 6, so 6 multiplied by 8 become how much, students? 6 multiplied by 8. Can you answer me? Due, 6 multiplied by 8 become how much? Six multiplied by 8 is equal to 48. Okay, you can see here. So 8 we're going to write here at the 100 place. Okay, now we're gonna do 0. Okay, so we can use here the table. All right. So 6 multiplied by 0 become how much?
Zero.
Exactly 0. 6 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. So you can see here, right? 0 minus 0. So it will be, this step also can be omitted. Okay. So 0 we're going to write here at the 10th place. Now we will bring down the ones. We have 9, 1. At the 1 place we have 9. Okay. So 9 will come down here. Now 6 multiplied by 1 is equal to 6. Now 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Okay. So as we can see here, 3, the dividend number, it is lesser than the divisor. So what we have here, it's remainder. Okay. So the quotient we have, the quotient number we have here, 801. Okay. And remainder is 3. So this 3 cannot be divided. It will be remain. Okay. Now here, what if you would like to check our answer? So what we're gonna do? We're gonna multiply the quotient. We have the quotient here, 801 multiply with the divisor. So 801 multiplied by 6. And we already have remainder. Remainder is 3. So 3 we will add with that, plus 3. That means 4,809. So if we compare this one with the divided number, so they are all both same. So which means our answer is correct. Okay, students, you understand that? The long form? Here, let's have a bit more practice. Okay. Now, okay, so we have here another number. We're having the dividing number given to us 918. Okay, so the divisor is 7. All right. So what we're gonna do here, we will do the same process. All right. So 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. So 1 we will write at the top of the 100 place, and 7 we're going to write here. Now from 9 we will subtract 7. So we have 2. Okay, so as 2 is the dividend number 2, it is lesser than the divisor. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna bring down 1 from the 10th place. So now we have total 21 tens. Okay, now 7 multiplied by 3 is equal to 21. Okay, now come down to the 1 place. So 1 place we having 8. Okay, so 7 multiplied by 1 is equal to 7. Okay, now 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So this one is remainder. Okay, so our answer is 131 and the remainder is 1. Now if you would like to check our answer is correct or not. So 131 multiplied by 7 plus the remainder 1 is equal to 918. So we can see here both the number, the dividend number, they're same. So that means our answer is correct. Similar like that, question number 2, we have for dividend number, we have 903 and the divisor is 4. Okay, now look at here. We're going to use the table of 4. 4 multiplied by 2 become how much? Is equal to 8. Okay, so now 9, 2 we will bring here at the 100 place. Okay, 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Okay, and now here 0. So 1 is lesser, we don't have in the table. Okay, so 1 is lesser than the divisor. So we will bring down 0 from the 10th place. So now we have total 10. So 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8. So from 10, we were gonna subtract 8. So that means we will have 2. 2 will come down at the 10th place. Okay. and 3 will also bring down from the 1 place. All right. So now we're having the number, we're having the divided number 23. So if we use the table of 4, 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is equal to 8, 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12, 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16. So 4 multiplied by 5, okay? So 5 is 20. So 20 we are going to write here, 5 we're going to write it on top of the 1 place at the quotient. So 23 minus 20 is equal to 3. Now this 3 we cannot divide with the divisor because divisor number is bigger and we don't have any more numbers. All right. So this 3 is remainder. All right. So we have the answer 225 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Okay. And if you would like to know the answer is correct or not. So 225 multiplied by 4 and we're going to add 3. So that means 903. So if we check both the figure, they are same. So that means our answer is correct. Okay, students. Now the rest of the questions. Question number 3 and question number 3 until question number 9 until 12. Okay, so this one you have to solve by yourself. Okay, students, can you do that? Can you solve by yourself?
Yeah, okay.
Until question number 12. Okay, from question number 3 until question number 12. Page number 121. Okay, students, can you solve that by yourself? It's your homework. It's already solved for you here, but you can do practice again. Okay.